4-digit numbers greater than 5,000 are randomly formed from the digits 0, 1, 3, 5, and 7. What is the probability of forming a number which is divisible by 5? First case, digits can repeat. Digits are repeated. So when the digits are repeated, so we will first find the total possible numbers greater than 4,000. This is also the situation that number should be greater than 5,000. Okay? So total possible 4-digit numbers. Total possible 4-digit numbers greater than 5,000. See, we have 4 places, right? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, and 10,000, right? So total possible numbers will be कितने हो जाएंगे? For first place, we have 2 options only, 5 and 7. So only 2 options here. And for this place, we have 5 options. So it will be 5. For this place, we have 5 options. For this place also, we have 5 options. And if I multiply, this will be 250. But in this case, the number 5,000 will be included because repetition is allowed. Digits can be repeated. So 5,000 is included here. So I will subtract that one number and the total will become, this is the total number. Now favorable outcomes, let us first find out. For the favorable outcomes, again we have 4 places. And all these places, here we have only 5 and 7 option. So therefore total options are 2. And at this place, because this number should be divisible by 5. So we have only 2 options, either it is 0 or it is 5. So here also we have 2 options. And when we can have the digits repeated. So here at these places, I will have 5 options. So total is 100. But again, the number 5,000 is included here. Again, 5,000 is included. So I will subtract that one number and the sum is 99. So probability in this case will be favorable upon total. So your answer will be 33 divided by 83. This is question number 1, first part. For the second case, digits cannot repeat. Digits can't be repeated. In this case, first we will find the total numbers possible, total possible numbers. Again, we have 4 places. And here, as you can see, digits cannot repeat. At this place, I have 2 options, 5 and 7. So it will be 2. At this place, because one number, whatever comes here at this place, will not come here. And I have only 5 options. So at this place, I will be having only 4 options. Whatever the number comes here. Similarly, whatever the 2 numbers come at this place and this place will not come here. So I will be having only 3 options here. And whatever the number come at these 3 positions will not come here. I will be having 2 options here. So total possible numbers in this case is. Then for the favorable outcomes, we will be having 2 cases. In first case, the number is starting with suppose 7. In second case, the number is suppose starting with 5. When the number is starting with 7, So at this position, I'm having only one option. And then at the last position, I'm having only two options, 0 or 5. That means here I am having two options, right? And if I have used two digits, only 3 will be left. At this place, I am having 3 options. At this place, I am having 2 options. Total options will be 12 here. But when I am having the number starting with 5, at this place, I am having one option. At this place also, because I am having only option 0 here. And when two digits are used, so at this place, I will be having only 3 options. At this place, I will be having only 2 options. So total options will be 6 here. So total favorable outcomes. Total favorable outcomes will be, we will add both the cases, case 1 plus case 2. That is 12 plus 6. Now it is 18. Therefore, probability will be favorable upon total. Right? And the answer is 3/8.